Now I am explaining about a sum on correlation. Sum number 11. Obtain the correlation coefficient from the following. Here value of x and y are given. Value of x is equal to 6, y is equal to 9. Value of x is equal to 2, y is equal to 11. Value of x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. Value of x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8. Value of x is equal to 8, y is equal to 7. Solution. We have made a table for the calculation of correlation coefficient. I have made 7 columns of the table, and first column is x values, second column is y values, third column is a capital X is derived from small x minus 6, that is given x minus 6. Capital Y is equal to given y minus 8, and x square, capital X square, capital Y square, capital X and Y columns. For x column 6, y is equal to 9, and capital X is equal to x minus 6, so the 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Capital Y is equal to then 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. X square is equal to 0 square 0, and capital Y square is equal to 1 square 1, and xy is equal to 0 into 1, that is 0. Similarly, for x value is 2, y is given 11. Capital X is equal to 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Capital Y is equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Capital X square is equal to 4 minus 4 whole square is equal to 16. Capital Y square is equal to 3 square 9. XY is equal to minus 4 into 3 minus 12. Likewise 10x y 5. Capital X is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Capital Y is equal to 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. Capital X square is equal to 4 square 16. Capital Y square is equal to minus 3 square 9, and xy is equal to 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Likewise, two other entries have been calculated. Total of the columns, total of x column is equal to 30, total of y column is equal to 40, total of x square 40, total of y square 20, total of xy minus 26. Now I am using the formula for the calculation of correlation coefficient denoted by R. R is equal to covariance xy divided by sigma x sigma y. Covariance xy is equal to summation xy by n minus summation x by n into summation y by n. This is equal to minus 26 by 5, that is n, that is 5 values are given, that is why n is equal to 5, minus summation x is equal to 30, summation x by x is equal to 0, summation y is equal to 0, that is why is equal to minus 26 by 8 is equal to 5 point minus 5.2. Sigma y is equal to first of all we take the value of sigma x is equal to root over summation x square by n minus summation x by n is equal to root over 40 by 5 minus 0 by 5 whole square is equal to root over 8. Sigma y is equal to root over summation y square by n minus summation y by n whole square is equal to root over 20 by 5 minus 0 by 5 whole square is equal to 2. Therefore, r is equal to minus 5.2 by root over 8 into 2. It is the value of that is equal to 5.2 by 5.66 is equal to minus 0.02. I may request you to go through the book Statistics Made Easy Volume 1 written by me. Thank you.